Unlock the secrets to boosting your team's productivity with this complete guide to using Insightful. First, let's explore the Insightful dashboard, your central hub for all things employee monitoring and time tracking. Here, you'll find a comprehensive overview of key metrics, including active time, application usage, and project progress. Dive into the applications and website section to see exactly where your team spends their time online. This feature allows you to identify frequently used programs and websites, helping you understand work patterns and potential distractions. Next, understand active versus idle time, providing clear insights into focused work periods and potential areas for improvement. Insightful accurately tracks when employees are actively engaged with their computers. Organize your workflow by setting up and managing projects and tasks. This ensures accurate time tracking and cost allocation for different initiatives. Assign tasks, track progress, and stay on top of deadlines. Generate insightful reports to analyze productivity trends and optimize workflows. Insightful offers customizable reports that can be tailored to your specific needs, identifying areas of strength and opportunities for improvement. Customize settings to manage user roles and permissions, ensuring data security and compliance. Tailor access levels to different team members based on their responsibilities. With Insightful, you can unlock your team's full potential by identifying trends, optimizing workflows, and improving overall efficiency. So start exploring its features today.